So if we happen to put in one more leg to the downside, we could have 3 lower lows here in crude oil, or if we just retested the low. You know, we've already retested this prior bottoming area, so a rally from this point we're going to have to look at. So we got it here. I'll be a buyer of an up close. Who knows if this market's really ready to go right now, but if this bar closes up, we should get a signal. Boom. So it spiked up, got 2 ticks into the profit, but then backed right off. So let's see what happens here. Taking a little bit of heat here. Now we're going back up in the right direction. So I got to get rid of this trailing stop. Come on, baby. So kind of wanted to see quality follow through that 50 XMA. Here's the problem with trading on the wrong side of the 50 XMA, guys, is this idea that that's an intrinsic support area, or resistance area in this case. And you know, we've seen that exemplified quite a bit recently, is it can be tough to punch through that level. So you avoid that problem when you only take trades when the action line is on for a buy above the 50 XMA, for a sell below it. All right, I'm going to wimp out and tighten up my stop here. All right, very tight stop under these prior pivots. If this market breaks these prior pivot lows, I'm going to let myself get taken out. It doesn't mean this might not still go higher, but the bottom line is we didn't get the quick move to the upside that I wanted to see, so I'm just going to cut my losses and wait for something else. I'm tempted to increase my profit target here. If we do go higher, there's a good chance we'll be able to, you know, pop this up more than just a 5 or 6 tick winner. You know, there's nothing wrong with getting out for a two tick loss here. We've had plenty of opportunities to bail out for a couple of tick loss. I'm just going to stick with this trade. I am going to increase my profit target, and we'll either take a 5 tick loss or a bigger win. It's trying. It's testing the upper edge of this range. You can get out break even or +1 if you want to. I'm going to just stay with this trade. There we go. And winner. Okay? There you have it, guys. Boom. Quick, easy 8 tick. Well, it wasn't an easy 8 tick winner, but a winner nonetheless. And you saw my conservative side come out, you know, and look, there was even more than that. You could have gotten 12 ticks or more on this trade. And why did I say that we had the potential for this to go more than 5 or 6 ticks? It was because of the bottoming, guys. Okay, you see this gorgeous 3 lower lows here. Then we came all the way back, retested that, and we're headed up from there. So there was really strong odds that we would at least retest this prior pivot high over here that gave us plenty of room, you know, to get a bigger target. And that's why I increased my profit target. Could have obviously gone even further, but happy enough with what we did. So we had upside divergence. The rationale and reason for the trade was simply following our trading plan. We got a sniper black line cross signal. Action line was sloping up. We're into the trade. And we got stuck at the 50 XMA. You know, that's a normal thing. I decided to go conservative after we had 3 bars paying in. I generally want to see pretty consistent punch through to my profit target. If I don't get that, I want to find a reason to lock my stop up. So I put my stop right under these lows, so I only had 5 ticks at risk. And we increased our target and got a nice win. So good little trade there, and we are 2-0 on the morning.